Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can see your liked videos on TikTok. So just like in other platform like in Instagram and in YouTube, you can see the videos and photos which you have liked. Well, in TikTok as well they have this feature. So most people, they do not know how to see it, but like it's pretty simple. You don't have to download anything. Alright, so follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open TikTok and click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're on your profile section, you can see the little like button with a little eye closed. Over here you can see the option, click on it, and over here all the videos which you have liked on the TikTok is gonna be shown over here just like this. So yeah, that's how simple it is to see the videos which you have liked on TikTok. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.